Hello everyone, it's me Shalja and welcome to my YouTube channel. So while revising my family law papers, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ questions आए. First question was whether bigamous marriage is legal in India or not. Means India में दो दो शादी करना allowed है या नहीं? So नहीं, it is illegal. We cannot marry twice. If a person is already having a living spouse, he cannot marry again. So this led to my another question कि what if the woman does not know कि the person she is marrying to is already married. So उस केस में वो क्या कर सकती हैं? तो उस केस में there is no issue. Section 125 of CRPC clearly gives a right that she can claim maintenance from her husband. But what about the children? Whether that child will be legitimate or illegitimate? Of course, the child will be legitimate because इसमें उस lady या उस बच्चे की कोई गलती नहीं है, right? She has been deceived. The child has been born out of that wedlock. So in the previous case, there was no issue because the wife did not know that she is entering into a bigamous marriage. But what will happen in cases where both the wife and the husband already have a living spouse? So in that case, both could face criminal charges under Section 494 of Indian Penal Code, which makes them liable for the punishment of bigamous marriage. In such case, the marriage in itself is void ab initio, मतलब वो शुरू से ही खारिज है. And in the recent landmark judgment, which is N. Usha Rani and another versus Mududula Srinivasan, the court has cited that even if the wife does not procure or present any valid proof that she has divorced her first husband, still she can claim maintenance from the present husband. I will cite the exact statement for you. It says, it must be borne in mind that the right to maintain under Section 125 CRPC is not benefit received by a wife, but rather a legal and moral duty owed by the husband. The court observed while looking that Section 125 CRPC requires a broad interpretation considering its social welfare objective. Setting aside the High Court decision, Justice Sharma has authored this judgment, where the court has observed that there is no bar under Section 125 that wife cannot claim maintenance from her second husband, even if her first marriage is not legally dissolved. Because the second husband, while marrying this lady, this woman, already have the knowledge that she is having a living spouse. Instead of that, he remarries her, and now when it's the time to obligate his duty of maintenance, he is stepping backward. So court cannot give him this benefit that when you wanted, you married her, and now you are living her at this stage. So he has to maintain his wife, whether or not her first marriage is dissolved or not. So this is the second issue that got resolved. Now the third question which came to my mind is whether the second wife still wants to keep this man as her husband. So in this case, matlab, if I'll frame it legally, it would sound that whether she can claim the restitution of conjugal rights from her husband or not. So now, how one can apply for the restitution of conjugal rights? For this, the party can move to district court and file an application for the restitution of conjugal rights. The second step is that if the court is satisfied with the contentions presented by the party and if the court thinks that the statements are true, the court may pass a decree for the RCR, that is restitution of conjugal rights. Thank you. In the next video, I'll be sharing a detailed procedure of how to file an application in the court for RCR. And if you like my content, please like my channel and subscribe to it. Also, do comment if there is any sort of feedback. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.